organized by Department of Computer Engineering of Maharia Charitable Trust, Sahyadri Valley College of Engineering and Technology. Now I would like to call our respective trustee member, Mr. Sachin Chawan sir, to felicitate our guest. Sir, please come forward. Please give a big hand. Thank you so much, sir. Please have a seat. Now I request our respective academic dean, Mr. Balaram sir, to felicitate our respective trustee member of Maharia Charitable Trust, Mr. Sachin Chawan sir. Sir, please come forward. Thank you, sir. Now I request our honorable respected member of Maharia Charitable Trust, Mr. Sachin Chawan sir, to felicitate our respective vice principal and academic dean of Sahyadri Valley College of Engineering and Technology, Mr. Balaram sir. Sir, please come forward. Thank you, sir. Please have a seat. Now I request our respective academic dean, Mr. Balaram sir, to share some few words.
Today's chief guest of this function, Mr. Sachin Chawan sir, Honorable Trust of the Maharia Charitable Trust, and also guest speaker, Professor Dr. Nageshwar Rao sir. And also, I would like to welcome all the HODs and participants. So, I think we have learned so many things from day 1 to day 6, which we have concluded our program, today's program. My dear participants, you have attended all the sessions and you have learned and you have gained so much knowledge regarding the cloud computing. So this is a such platform to research on this topic, and definitely after completion of this program, you should make and we should publish one research paper. Then only we will think the program has teach and success. So all of you, please be attention and collect the information, whatever the data from the resource persons, and go and read again and again, and as soon as you should publish on paper. Okay, like this opportunity has given to us or arrange such type of activities of our trustee. Every time I would like to thanks our trustee members of this organization. They are encouraging us to conduct such type of events. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Please have a seat. Now I request our honorable respective member of Mahariya Charitable Trust. Now I request our today's respective guest and our expert speaker of morning session, Dr. Nageshwar Rao sir. Sir, please share a few words and guide our participants. So please come forward.
Okay, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Any other ability to learn some knowledge. Okay, from that, I think you learn latest trends in cloud computing is last week. So that is very useful for your career, for developing your professional career and developing self-growth also. This is very good opportunity for all faculty, along with some students also is there, but the students also good catching some good knowledge from this one day. And thank you for opportunity for giving me for a college management, principal and management members. So I think a very good opportunity, and we discuss very good points for your career. So developing self-growth for research point of view. That is very, very important in college also, in institution level also. If you are getting, sir, you are going to MBA or NAP, the research contribution is very important in 200 marks weightage. So you can support nowadays onwards for faculty research publications. In my college, we one give example. We published a paper. We support to management, support to faculty some amount to publish the paper. Actually, in conference paper they have 10,000, 15,000. That contribution management is supported. That is useful for your application purpose. Accreditation, NBR NAP. Very useful for career, for faculty, also student, also institution also. So improving your college level. And if you are going to NAP or MBA, this criteria is very important. And improvement also, faculty improvement also. I will do it. And in your library, you can suggest, I already suggested some. So research point of view, some magazines is there. Those magazines you collect and put there. That is useful for faculty and students. Innovation ideas, they are learned and display their knowledge in exposing knowledge in different colleges, conducting events, some events like hackathons, MSME hackathons, like that, expose the knowledge in that type of competitions. Very useful, either faculty, either students. very useful. Growth in your career. Already we apply in my college, my students selected MSME projects. Because of only we are given inputs. Those inputs you family give to latest innovation ideas, your students. The students prepared and published or prepared and presentations, different colleges, like we have universities there nearby. Those universities, they conduct hackathon programs. Some companies, they conduct hackathon programs. Okay, like that is very useful for them. I think request to sir, and same information also I will inform Devanand sir also. That is useful for your institution and your faculty growth also. So, very good opportunity myself also here. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a informative sharings. This is not just a program, but this is a journey towards excellence, innovations, and collections. Now, I would like to call here Mr. Manoj Kumar, sir, for reporting about the faculty development program. So, please come forward.
At the end of the day of the AICT every workshop, we give the detail about the resource persons and subject taken by that persons. So in 6 days there are different resource persons are coming here and also give the basic knowledge about the cloud computing and different related to this field. So first person is coming here on Dr. S.K. Solkar sir. So this is HOD from Pratibha College of Engineering, and session 1 topic to be taught introduction to cloud computing, and session 2 topic to be taught cloud to AWS, and also he's taken the practical session, and the practical session in this session, one session center learning practical and expert AWS instructor will walk through how to prepare data and train evaluate, and the second day, another expert is the Dr. Mahesh Nirmal. So he is the assistant professor from Pravara Rural College of Engineering, Loni, and he gives the thought about the topic to be taught cloud computing technology, types of cloud computing, and development models. And again the same day, the another resource person is the Dr. Maninath Vendre. He is also Pravara Rural College of Engineering, Loni, and he is an associate professor. And he takes the topic about the application and security on cloud computing. And also he gives us some practical knowledge about this. And in this practical knowledge, gives us some practical ways to ensure cloud application security. And also use multi-factor authentications. And on the another day, on 25th 9, 2024, third day. So this is so resource person is Dr. Sachin Kode, and he is also a Pravara Rural College of Engineering, Loni, and he is the head of IT department. And session given on this is the types of cloud computing, service, and various data storage method on cloud. And the same day, another resource person is Dr. Manoj Bakchore. He is Amrut Bahini College of Engineering, and he is also an associate professor, and he thought about the risk management in cloud computing, and also taken a practical session, and in this practical session he gives some knowledge about the reliable cloud service provider, implemented a cloud risk management framework, and on the day 26, so another resource person is Dr. Sachin Tenikar sir. He is from Amrut Bahini College of Engineering, Sangamner, and he is also assistant professor. And he gives the sessions about the concept of visualization, implementation of visualization in cloud computing, and application of visualization. And he also gives some practical knowledge about the virtualization in cloud computing in a technique that allow user of interact with hardware resource more flexible by abstracting them into software. And on the day 27/9/24, we give the industrial visit. And so this is the company name is the BAAP company, and this address is the Sangamner. And here started the software service provider. So basically this is the software service provider for national and international client. And the last day on the date of 27/9/2024. So this is the last day, and I give the resource person is the Dr. J. Nageswar Rao. So he is an associate professor and presently working in JNTU. And he give the session about latest trend in advanced technology and cloud computing. And also he said that about how we can publish the paper, how we can select the paper, and how we can write the paper, abstract write, and give the brief knowledge about the research. So again, so for indeed, I thanks to our management and this Dr. Sachin Chauhan sir, and also the vice principal Mr. P. Balaramu sir, and also our resource person Dr. Nagesh Rao sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Ms. Khadal ma'am to share a few words. Ma'am, please come forward.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank to trustee member of Maharaya Charitable Trust, Sahyadri Valley College of Engineering and Technology, Honorable Mr. Sachin Chauhan sir, for organizing this faculty development program, and also thanking to our principal sir, Dr. Sanjay Zogbe sir, and vice principal as well as academic dean Mr. P. Balaramu sir, for encouraging and trusting me for the conducting this program. And I as a FDP coordinator also thank to the mechanical HOD Mr. Bhagwat sir, civil HOD Mr. Reddy sir, ENTC HOD Mr. Manoj Kumar sir, AIDS HOD Mrs. Rahani Divya madam, and AIML HOD Mrs. Hemner Kavita madam, and special thank to my colleague co-coordinator Minas madam, and Nalaude sir and Vaibhav Nagre sir for helping in conducting the program. Also thanks to the system admin Mr. Sabir sir. Also thank to Bharti sir, Wak sir, and Auti sir for the covering the recording, news and media. Also special thank goes to our food committee, Mrs. Kurhade madam, Mrs. Kurkute madam, Sonone sir, Sabale sir, and Lamkhede madam. Also special who make our week a delicious one. Last and not the least, also thank to all the student volunteers who have done their work genuinely from the first day to till now. And thank you Hande sir for your delicious food facilities. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Only innovative ideas and the planning is not only important for any kind of program, but the organization of program and the organizing neatly, properly and innovatively the program is most important for any kind of program. So I would like to thank all the committee members who helped to organizing such a knowledgeable and informative and helpful faculty development program. So thank you so much. And now I would like to call here Miss Wagole ma'am to express her gratitude. Ma'am, please come forward and share a few words. sorry for little. Here a small felicitation program is there. I would like to call forward Miss Khatal ma'am, our respective coordinator and HOD of computer department. I request our respective guest, Dr. Nageshwar Rao sir, to felicitate Khatal ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now I like to call here Miss Minaz ma'am, our co-coordinator of the program. Ma'am, please come forward. And I request Mr. Sachin Chauhan sir to felicitate Miss Minaz ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to call Mr. Nalauda sir, and I request our respective academic dean and vice principal of Sahyadri Valley College of Engineering and Technology, Mr. Balaram sir, to felicitate him. Thank you, sir. And the most important part of this program, and a special thanks to all computer department, and we will take this felicitation after the program. Now I request Ms. Wagole ma'am to share her gratitude.
Good afternoon, everyone. It has been an honor to be a part of this faculty development program on fundamentals of cloud computing and emerging trends with cloud technology, sponsored by AICTR and conducted by the Department of Computer Engineering. So, I, on behalf of Mahariya Charitable Trust, Sahyadri Valley College of Engineering and Technology, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guest, Dr. Nageshwar Rao sir. Thank you, sir, for each and every point that you have explained is very interesting and knowledgeable also. And also, our special thanks goes to the trustee member, Principal Sir and Vice Principal Sir of Mahariya Charitable Trust, Sahyadri Valley College of Engineering and Technology. Thanks, sir, for your supporting and encouragement. Without your support and encouragement, nothing will have been possible here. So, special thanks goes to both of them. Thanks a lot. Then, a sincere thanks goes to the heads of all departments who have worked genuinely here, who have handled the program very nicely. Thanks all of you. So, thanks all the participants from our institute also and from other institute who have participated in this program from first day to till now, and thanks for making this program a memorable one. So, thank you all of you. All that is present. And also thanks to our non-teaching staff also and student volunteers who have participated here and who have done their work without any of words or saying also. So also genuine thanks goes to them also. Thank you, Bob madam, for your support also and handling everything in a very systematic way. Thanks a lot. So today I am concluding here that the FDP program that is going in our institute from a week over till now, it's ending here. So I think that we have done a lot of things from this program. So thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. The whole week was really knowledgeable and informative. Here, and all sessions were successfully concluded. Here I declare that the faculty development program of 1 week is successfully conducted. Special thanks to each and everyone who was part of this program, and thank you so much. Here I declare that the session is over and the program is successfully concluded. Thank you so much.
all the faculties, please have a lunch. Lunch is arranged for you people. Then after, you can go and do the paper assessment in the lab. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Everyone, please be seated on your place. A small program of photo session for being thankful for the Department of Computer Engineering is left. So please be seated on your place. All the members of computer or Department of Computer Engineering, please all faculty come forward. All the faculty members from Sahyadri Valley College of Engineering and Technology, please come forward.
वैसे लोग साइलेंट से आ जाओ सब वैसे बच्चे पे बच्चों के मैं जाऊं
वो तोड़ घालतो महाग होऊन जातं थोडं